Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to install the Max application on our Amazon Fire TV stick. Before starting the procedure, I want to make a couple of things clear to you. First of all, as always, we remind you that this process only serves to install the application on our device. If after installing it you want to use the application and access all of its content, you will have to register, pay the corresponding subscription and log in with your username and your password. And on the other hand, secondly, the Max application currently here in Spain, which is where I am, is not yet available, that is, it has not yet started working, and at this moment HBO Max continues to work, so when I install the application and open it you will see that a message appears telling me that in my region the application is not yet working, but since it has already been implemented in many countries and many of you and safe, you have to use it or your country has already stopped using HBO Max or the migration to Max is already starting. I'm going to make the video now. The first thing we are going to do is install an application, which is in the Fire Stick App Store, so we enter. Once inside, we go to the search magnifying glass and we have to look for an application called Downloader, simply putting D, as you can see, this one here appears. We enter the application icon and once you are inside, click on Download. Once installed, do not open it, take the remote and return to the main menu by pressing the Home button. From here we are going to go to Settings to activate the developer options. We go down to the My Fire TV section. In the next menu click on the About section and once inside we simply have to go over our Fire TV stick model, which in this case mine is the 4K Max, and we press the central button on the remote 7 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. As you can see a little sign appears telling me that it is not necessary since it is already I am a developer, but it will seem to you that you have become developers. Once you have done this, you return to the previous menu and the Developer Options tab will have appeared. Once you locate it, enter it, go down to where it says, Install Unknown Apps, and here, as you will see, Downloader appears, the application that we have just installed. In this case, as you can see, it appears deactivated and all we have to do is stand on top of it, press the central button on the remote control and change it from deactivated to activated. Once this is done, you return to the main menu of the Fire TV stick and you can now search for it to open it. It is super important that once you open the Downloader application you click on Allow, because if you click on Deny Permissions, you will not be able to install the application since you will not be able to access your files and therefore, when you go to install it will give an error. It is very important that you allow it here. Then press OK to remove this pop-up and we are now on the main Downloader page. At this moment we go to the orange bar on the left and click on Browser. Now, as you can see, a kind of browser opens in which all we have to do is go up to the search bar, delete what is currently entered and you have to write the website apkmirror.com. Once you have it written as you see on the screen, we click Go. If this advertisement appears, simply take the pointer, click I accept and it will be removed. Now, as you can see, it is a page quite similar to the previous one but we are already at apkmirror.com. Here you simply go to the search magnifying glass on the right and this is where we are going to search for the application itself. In this case we are going to search like Max, but be careful, it is super important that you do the search by literally writing what you are seeing on the screen Max space and, in parentheses Android TV. And this why is it so important? Because if you do the search without Android TV, what you will almost certainly download is the application for mobile phones and tablets, which is why it will be focused on touch use and the Fire TV stick remote will not work. Once you have it like this, you simply go down to where it says, Next, and the next page is quite similar to the one previous with the difference that if we go down we will find the applications that are available to install. In this case, as you can see, Max appears in the first place, which is the one we have searched for, and VRT Max appears below, which I don't know what it is, and Max again below. You always have to install the one at the top as you see. This version is from January 29th and this one is from February 12th. Above you will have the most updated version. It is super important that you see what Android TV says since as we have already searched for it this way, the compatible application appears directly to us. Once you have located it, go to the far right and click on the arrow. If you see an advertisement, simply go to close here and close it. The next screen is a little more different. As you can see, we are already inside the Max application, and what we have to do is go down again until you find the APK versions. Here they are. You have to go down to this point here. Once here, it is also super important that you do not install the versions that say bundle. These two are not going to work for you. You have to always look for the one that says APK and there is a television next to it. Once you locate it, it is very easy. You go again to the right of the everything and click on the arrow again. Now we are in the last step, in the last screen, in which we have to do the same as in the previous one, go down again, but this time until we find the download banner, which is the one you see here. The one that says is worth it, download APK, and the weight of the APK appears. This is the one you have to click on. Once you press it, you don't need to touch anything else on the remote control. As you can see, the page loads by itself. Now a small window appears with the download, and automatically, without pressing anything at all, as you can see, it has only reached the Android download page, in which we simply have to go down and click where it indicates install. Now we wait a few seconds for it to install, and as you can see, after a moment the application is installed and ready to use. Now once you return to the main menu of the Fire TV stick, you go to the My Applications section, and as you can see, you already have Max available here to enter. You can open it, and after a moment of loading, as you can see, what I told you before happens. It tells us that in this case Max is not available in this region yet. It means that in my country here in Spain the migration from HBO Max to Max, but as soon as it is available, it will work for you. Well guys, this is where the video ends. I hope, as always, I have helped you. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to leave me a good like as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. For my part, nothing more than a pleasure as always, and until the next video.